Hello guys, today I'd like to show you how to make simple yummy fried noodles. We need some dried noodles, about 110 grams. And we need some vegetables, 2 pieces dried shitake mushrooms, soaked and sliced, 30 grams shredded cabbage, 30 grams grated carrots, and 30 grams sliced broad beans or any beans will do. And 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon mushroom sauce, 75 milliliter clean soaked water from shitake, some drops of sesame oil, a pinch of salt to taste, some white pepper for garnish. Bring to boil 300 milliliters of water. Boil the noodles. Flip it and let boil for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. It's good to get chewy noodles. Switch off the heat and loosen it with chopsticks or fork. I don't need the water. Let's pour it out. Preheat frying pan or wok for about 2 minutes. Pour in the cooking oil. After half a minute, drop in shitake. Saute them for about 2 minutes to get them fragrant. Once you see they are golden brown, drop the beans in. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Till its color changes to deep green. Then we can put in carrots and cabbage. Stir fry and mix them well for another 1 minute. Sprinkle some salt. Let's put in the noodles. Do a quick movement to open up and loosen the noodles. If you see it's quite dry, drop some mushroom water to make it easier to separate from each other. You can also use a fork and a spatula to separate them. Put in soya sauce by making a circle on the noodles, followed by mushroom sauce. Mix them evenly. Pour in the remaining mushroom water and switch off the heat. Do a quick stir fry to mix them well. Let's garnish with some pepper and sesame oil. It's done. Wow, smells good. It's ready to be served. I need some lemon juice for my sticky chili sauce. Some sugar, some soya sauce, this is my lunch. It seems like it's been a while I don't eat fried noodle. Let me try how it tastes without chili. Let me try with chili sauce. Thanks much for watching, guys. Please give a like if you enjoy watching. Have you subscribed? If not yet, hit subscribe please, okay? Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.